Hi everyone! I just received an order from Origamishop.com and I figured why not open it together with you. I had done this before back in 2010 and I thought it would be fun to do it again 10 years later. I will say that this time I didn't order a lot of special paper as I did back then, but I included a bunch of paper that I usually use for my videos, and maybe you're interested in seeing that too. So let's get started. First we need to open this. And let's see what's in here. I ordered 2 books. Okay, so 2 books. I always explore Origamishop.com for new books that I'm excited about. And the great thing about the shop is that there's always previews of the table of contents. So you will see pictures of these pages right here where you can exactly see which of the models are included, and I always like to explore that, and if there's like a design aesthetic or specific models that really stand out to me, then I want that book. And here you can see that these are mostly like very clean designs, lots of animals. And I love that geometric feel that really captures the essence. For example, I really love this swan. It says, I'm really looking forward to folding probably this model first and then see how I get along. And this is Spirits of Origami. I will be posting links in the video description to all of these. They will include a referral code, which means that I get a referral bonus if you order anything from the shop following those links, and it's not really going to make a difference to you, but you can show me some love so that I get a little bit of extra income, so that I have more that I can invest into all of the origami videos I produce. The second one is this book, Amazing Origami, and I'm not aware of the designer. I hadn't heard of Chen, Xiao, sorry for the pronunciation, before, and this looks like a very complex piece, and I saw that there are quite a bunch of easier models in the book too though. So you can see here is the table of contents, again very visual, and the model I really want to fold is this lazy panda. Isn't it fantastic? But also a lot of the other models really appealed to me and I just wanted to give it a go, and here you can see it goes over to those models that are closer to the one on the title page. So I got these 2 books and we'll see when I find time to explore them. I try to fold at least 1 model from each book I get. I know that seems like very little, but there's only that much time I have, and then I always see, you know, if I find more time. So what else is in here? Let's see. There's this and that. And I think these are just, yes, okay, that's it. I got a pack of 15 centimeter or 6-inch squares. This is the paper I use most often in my videos. And this pack of 500 gives me a nice selection of colors. And I like the quality. I've been using it for many years now. And as before, a link is going to be in the description. Some of you may have seen that recently I've been folding a ton of house and heart models, is what I call them, or the stay home models, and I ran out of red and white paper. I even resorted to cutting down my 35 centimeter squares of red so that I would have squares again to work with, and so I decided I need to get some packs of red and white kami that will replenish my stock, also because that color is, you know, something I need every once in a while or more often than other colors. There were two shades of red, and I wasn't quite sure which one was closest to the one I'd been using for all the other models, which you can kind of see right here. They're collected because I might have to take another photo of this collection for an upcoming article for the fold, because I have one where I listed all of the ones I had folded a while ago, and that list has grown considerably, and I wanted to do an update. Okay, so let me see how I can open this. There we are. As you can see, all of this is packaged really well, especially the books in the bubble wrap are great so that the books aren't damaged. So here are the 2 packs of white and red kami. There's 100 sheets. This is a lighter shade and a darker shade. And OrigamiShop.com has packs with many other colors if you're looking for just one color, for example, if you're folding for a specific event. Then I saw when I was ordering that there would be small gifts included, and that was a really nice surprise. And here is a small necklace with a heart, very, very sweet, as a small thank you, just like that. And there are also other gifts. For example, I got this selection of papers just to try out, and it shows exactly what kind of paper it is and what size and the shades so that you can identify it, and then you can just try out some paper and no questions asked, and you can order more of that paper if you really like folding with it. So I think that is absolutely fantastic, and I look forward to folding with this paper, especially. I don't know about vintage yet, and momigami and kinomomi and biogami. So these are papers I have not folded with before, and now I can give them a try. I did order a pack of Biotope, and I wanted to get this paper because someone had given me one sheet to try folding with, and I really liked the way that it behaved while folding. And I'm just going to open this quickly because it says it's 40 by 40 centimeter sheets. And now you're going to say, wait a second, those aren't 40 centimeters, like that's a ton smaller than 40 centimeters. So I'm going to take out one sheet, and then you will see it is very, very neatly folded into quarters. And these are common creases you need, and it makes shipping these large sheets much easier, and it also makes it easier for us to store the paper at home, because those 40 by 40 centimeter sheets are quite a bit larger. But because this paper is very thin and it is like really great for complex models, that larger size makes a lot of sense. And this is a selection of colors I got. There are other selections of colors and other sizes too. And finally, I have 2 packs of this 24 by 24 centimeter squares. This is the other common paper I use for my videos when I fold more advanced models. So these are the papers that I usually use in my videos almost all the time. And if you want to get that paper to try and replicate what I do, you can do that. For the display models, I sometimes use specialty paper, but for the videos, I really try to keep it very basic with kami paper, standard origami paper, so that you can see that you can complete all of the folds I demonstrate without spending a lot of money on paper, or indeed having to search for it, and not all paper is as easily available in, depending on where in the world you live. So this was my order: some kami, some Biotope, some goodies to try out, a nice necklace just as a small thank you, the white and red kami for more of the house and heart models, and finally 2 books that I am eager to explore. I hope you like this unboxing video, and if you want to get some of this stuff too, especially these exclusive books, do head over to origamishop.com. Nicolas Terry does a fantastic job of providing so much value to the origami community, and I really do recommend you check out his offerings, either the com variant origamishop.com for most of the world, or origamishop.us if you are based in the US, or perhaps countries like Canada or Mexico probably will also be easier with respect to delivery times. With that, I all wish you happy folding and see you around.